in this video, we are going to learn about audio gain. So there are multiple clips here and all has same decibels of audio. So now if I click one audio and keep the decibel as 10, the other will be at 0 itself. But I want all the decibels should be same for all the clips. So I will click all the clips, then right click, and here you can see audio gain. Click to audio gain. Here you can set gain to or else adjust gain by. I will go to adjust gain by to 15 decibel. Now the audio decibel has set to 15 decibel and you need not go to clip by clip and edit audio decibel. It will be at one step. So that's it for today. I'll see you in the next one.